The longitude of a suburb is a measure of how far west or east a suburb is on the globe. It's a decimal figure accurate to 5 decimal places. It marks the centre of the suburb. It's not a metric used in determining investment potential directly, but it may come in handy for some researchers depending what it is they are researching. Perhaps whether a suburb is somewhere on the eastern seaboard. Note that if you are looking at metrics for a large location, like a local government area or an SA3, that's a statistical area level 3, instead of metrics for a single suburb, then the longitude displayed will be the centre for that entire area. Also note that longitudes in Australia are positive, unlike latitudes, and the longitudes get higher as you go east. So they are lowest in Western Australia and highest in New South Wales.